So guys, kung gusto niyo ma-experience ang Hong Kong Disneyland guys without flying or without booking the plane ticket or booking the hotel guys. So dito lang yan sa Rancho de Mula guys, which is malapit sa Pampanga at malapit sa Bulacan guys. So from here where we live guys is 1 hour yung travel guys. So hindi kayo guys, hindi kayo mapapagod guys ng gusto. So suggest ko lang sa inyo guys na pumunta kayo ng maaga guys, kasi pag late na kayo pumunta guys, expected nyo na yung traffic kasi may one way na daanan papasok guys, which is palabas naman guys, walang problema. And then suggest ko din ulit sa inyo guys na pumunta kayo na ng weekdays guys, kasi weekends guys mas marami talagang tao dyan guys, at saka mahirap na yung parking guys. So pumunta kami dyan siguro mga 4 PM na kami nakarating dyan guys, so which is open na sila, and then 100 yung entrance ng adult at 100 yung entrance ng kids guys. So worth it naman guys, kasi maraming mascot sila at matutuwa talaga yung mga bata guys sa mga pa-effect nila. At saka yung food nila guys, worth it naman dun sa price nila guys. So hindi ka talaga guys. Kaya lang baunan nyo talaga guys ng mas mahabang pasensya pag weekends talaga dyan guys, kasi mas marami daw tao ng weekends guys. And then yung guys, mga mascot nila dyan guys, I think yan dyan guys na kikita nyo, nagparade yata sila dyan guys 9 PM or 8:30 PM like that guys. So hindi ko sure kung anong oras yun guys, nakalimutan ko na. So kung gusto nyo manood guys, gusto nyo dalhin yung family nyo, suggest ko sa inyo weekends, I mean weekdays guys, kasi hindi kayo masyadong matraffic sa daan at hindi masyadong madami yung tao, kasi pag weekends talaga daw ang daming tao dyan. So ayan guys, parade nila guys is Disney Princess guys, Disney Princesses. So si Mulan, si Snow, tsaka si Tinkerbell. So I know si Moana guys. So tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata dyan guys. So kung gusto nyo ma-experience, manood na lang kayo guys dito, or gusto nyong puntahan guys, Google nyo na lang guys, nakaano naman sa Google guys yung nila guys, yung exact location naman dyan guys. So mag-ano na lang kayo guys. Ayan siya guys, may emotion. So tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata dyan guys. Ayan. So may mga pa-effect sila ng snow, fog. So at saka malawak yung places nila guys na pwedeng pagtakbuhan ng mga kids, which is matutuwa yung mga kids dyan guys kung dadalhin nyo. At saka yung may pa-show naman sila guys, comedy shows like 7 PM yata to 8:30 PM. So I think 8:30 PM guys. So I'm not sure, I'm not really sure yet. I am not sure na talaga kung anong oras yung comedy shows nila at saka yung parade nila guys, kasi nakalimutan ko na. So enjoy watching na lang guys sa dito habang hindi pa kayo nakakaranas. So nandyan simulan ewan ko kung ano yan guys, iba-ibang so si Woody, si Mickey Mouse, si Kuromi, ayan, si Minnie Mouse. So marami sila guys. So nakita nyo naman guys, tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata talaga dyan guys sa mga pamaskot nila. So enjoy watching.